Hi guys, welcome to a new video about dbFlux. Today I will show you how to get your files into the database. Let's imagine we have AOP as our reporting engine and we want to save our report templates into the database. We want to insert or update them into a block column of a table. For example, I have a Word file here, which is our report, and this should now be stored in our database. Therefore, I create a new report type with the command add report type, this one here. And now I will title it, for example, with AOP, because we want to name our report templates AOP. dbFlux has now created a new report folder. Here we also find a file called template SQL. With this file, you define what you want to do with the blob. Here in our example, the AOP template. You have two variables at hand. One is the file content as blob, and the other is the file name itself. With these, you can implement the logic which it needs to get such a blob into your target table. If I now move the Word file here into the directory, this file will later be written into the database with a template. And now we do exactly what we are used to do. We compile this file with Ctrl-Alt-B. dbFlux now asks you for a file name. I leave it with this one, and additionally you can choose a directory where the file should be written to. I keep the file for now here. dbFlux has now created a PL/SQL file in which the file is encoded with base 64. At the bottom of the end of the file, we see the template that was injected into the file itself. And if I now execute the file, dbFlux of course asks us in which schema the whole thing should be run, because we are not under the database folder. I will use this one for now, and here we see the output of the file. You have to implement this using your own logic. Of course, this is not meant only for AOP files. You can make any file part of your development cycle this way. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.